Hey, what's going on? What's going on? It's Al, and here on YouTube, man. And I wanted to actually try to do this live, but for some odd reason I couldn't go live on my phone. I was reading the what you need to have, the requirements, and I know you need to have 1,000 subscribers. So I do have 1,000 subscribers. Hence the reason why I'm actually making this video. And then and I think that's pretty much it. As long as you got 1,000 subscribers. But anyways, I wanted to make a video for everyone that has subscribed to my channel, and for those who are continue, who will subscribe later. But I have reached 1,000 subscribers, and I want to thank everybody who has subscribed to my channel for subscribing. It's a dream, I believe, that this is being realized. And one of the requirements is having 1,000 subscribers, and then from there you also got to do a little bit more things. So that's what I'm working on right now, as far as like my watch time. So when when you get that all together, then that's when everybody know. That's when you start monetizing your channel. So it's just, man, it's been a journey, a long journey doing so. I put a lot of work into it, and I got a lot more work to do. It's just this, man. I'm trying to get try to be a little bit more committed to it. I got a lot to do, so it's hard trying to find that balance. As everybody always says, it's hard trying to find that balance between doing this, working. Then I'm also a father, so I got to try to manage that the best I can. I try. I don't always make the best decisions, but I definitely try to do the best I can. But I know my commitment that I'm going to try to commit to help the channel grow. Now that we hit 1,000 subscribers, one thing I'm definitely going to try to do is try to stick to doing like at least one video a week, maybe 2 weeks or something like that. But I'm gonna put every effort into doing that. Even if I got to stay up a little extra at night to make sure I get these videos done and put up. But again, man, it's always been hard for me to put into words exactly how I feel, be it happy, sad, mad, whatever. But right now, the feeling is just is really good to know that that I've accomplished at least something that a lot, if not thousands, hundreds of thousands of other people just like myself have set out to do. But just didn't do it, didn't fall through, just didn't keep doing it, keep going forward, moving forward with it. But so I met a lot of other people on YouTube who's been doing it now and for a while, and starting where I was starting and growing now, and now their channel's being monetized. So it's like, I feel like it's just a chain reaction that's coming. One of my dude that on YouTube that was recently, I believe he was just get activated to be monetized, was my dude KJ, car reviews by KJ. So shouts out to him, man. Congrats on your monetization and reaching the standards that you need to be able to monetize your channel. So I'm right behind you, man. So again, this is for all my subscribers that have subscribed to my channel, man. I want to thank you so much for helping me reach a goal. Right now, I'm just out here. I'm actually at the lake right now, here in Cleveland, Ohio. Just taking some time out to just think and process and try to keep my mind focused on what to do and what next to bring to my channel, man. Because sometimes it's difficult. Sometimes I have a lot of ideas, and sometimes they don't fall through. Sometimes the review doesn't get to happen, or the event doesn't take place, or gets shut down or something like that. And then like I know a lot about cars too. So I've been working on doing some DIY videos, which I do want to put up. You know, I'm sure that there's someone that can benefit from you know, my DIY videos also. So, you know, if you've been on my channel, you've been following me, and you already got that you already clicked that subscribe button, then you know that I pretty much got a I got a 200, a Chrysler 200 that I enjoy. I love. It's a big boy, so I enjoy it. I love it. And I've been doing other modifications, add to it as far as my my engine. I'm looking to get that modified soon, so I'm currently in the process of looking to try to see who I can get it tuned by. But I think yeah, we'll get ready to go, because I'm out here with some other people as well. I got my son here with me too. My oldest son, he hasn't been in none of my videos yet, so if I can catch up to him, I'll probably put him on here. But man, I just want to still again just thank everyone for subscribing to my channel and helping me reach a goal that, you know, I thought that I did not think would come so soon like this. But it just lets me know, man, that that God is working, and I still got a lot more work to do. I got a lot more, you know, a lot more to bring to the channel. I'm currently working on a video now that I'm gonna try to get done and put up within the next at least by the next week or so. Just because, like I said again, I don't get paid, so I still gotta, you know, work, do what I need to do, be a father as well. Still got all those I still got to try to do, on top of still trying to give it my all into my channel. So this is my brand that I got, and my dude Driz over at D7 Media Group, he's the one that you know, helped me get it together. When I started out, I had a little something that you know, I just put up there. I thought it was cool, so I put up there. Boom, I thought that was my brand. But I appreciate it, man, Driz, helping me get my brand together here, Viral Speed. But let's see. Other than that, man, I guess I'll just put my son in the next video or something like that. But get ready to head out here again. Thank you. I appreciate you so much. Keep supporting, keep helping me grow. Again, like I said, I ain't getting paid yet, so we still got more pinnacles to go. But I want to grow this channel, man, and turn it into something very fun and enjoyable. Anything like for DIY stuff or just fun entertainment. I like all that type of stuff, man. If you know me, you know what I like to do. I'm an adrenaline type of person. I like adrenaline, so I eventually want to get to the point where I'm doing, you know, like hell, like bungee jumping or something like that, or even I do plan a sky jump this summer. Hopefully everything opens up, but I do plan a sky jump this summer, and you know, I'm definitely going to put that on my channel. That's going to be fun. It's going to be epic. I've jumped out of a plane before, so I get to, you know, I get to see what it's like. But I definitely can't wait to do that, and that's going to be sometime in the summer, I guess. Low prices, but got to get that together, man. But again, I want to thank you all so much for subscribing to my channel. Your boy Holland is Al Viral Speed.